Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to Financeable YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can add to favorite on Shoppay. So make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you have already downloaded the Shoppay app and already logged in as well. And now right after that, once you open it, you'll be able to see the interface or feed page of the Shoppay apps on the screen. So now you can see there is tons of products in here. So let's say I like this black boxer. So let's tap on the black boxer, and now you can see there is heart icon in here at the right side of the screen. So once you tap on the heart icon, you will be able to add the specific product on your favorite successfully. So basically this is how you can add to favorite on Shoppay, and if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.